IIT Madras has yet again clinched the number one position among engineering institutes in the NIRF ranking. We have been placed in the second position among research universities in India, a new category that has been introduced this year in the NIRF ranking. At this convocation, 1,962 graduates will receive their degrees. IIT Madras is widely perceived to be the leader in research collaboration with industry.
Class of 2021, you all have the special distinction of graduating from an institute which has been ranked the number one engineering college in India for 6 years in a row. Time has come to venture out into the world of opportunities that is out there. My interactions with professors, research scholars, startups, and students at IIT Madras have convinced me that the caliber of research and innovation in India is as good as anywhere else in the world.
You should be proud of yourself that you've been here today and you've done really well for the country and for yourself. And you have to keep trying, and you've achieved a lot, and you have to keep learning a lot more in life. And this is just not the end, and you need to learn different things and you need to try out different things. You shouldn't just stop with one thing, but you learn a lot more. It doesn't matter if you fail or if you get success, but at the end of the day you need to enjoy in whatever you do, and in whichever aspect you go in, or in whichever thing you want to achieve something and you want to try out new stuff. I think you have to just go and believe in yourself, and I'm sure you will get there. And ups and downs are always there in life, but it's there's nothing wrong in trying out new stuff. So I would just say one thing, that try new stuff and you will learn a lot more, and from that experience you will go to a next level.
President of India Prize for the Best Academic Record amongst BTech and Dual Degree, Bharat Ratna M. Vishwesvaraya Memorial Prize for the Best Academic Record in BTech, Siemens Prize for the Best Academic Record to the BTech student in Electrical Engineering. All three prizes go to Sumant R. Hegde. Shri V. Srinivasan Memorial Prize for the Best Academic Record in Dual Degree, Alumni Association Prize for the Best Academic Record to the Dual Degree student in Computer Science and Engineering, Motorola Prize for the Best All-Round BTech Dual Degree student amongst Computer Science and Electrical Engineering. All three prizes go to E. Santosh Kumar of Computer Science. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma Prize for the Best All-Round Proficiency in Curricular and Extracurricular Activities in BTech, Sivasailam Merit Prize for the Best Individual Project in Mechanical Engineering. Both these awards go to Guhan Narayanan of Mechanical Engineering. Governor's Prize for the Best All-Round Proficiency in Curricular and Extracurricular Activities in Dual Degree, Professor G.V.N. Rayudu, IIT Madras Prize for the Best Academic Record to the Dual Degree student in Mechanical Engineering, American Express Top Achievement Award for the Best Academic Record to an interdisciplinary Dual Degree student in Data Sciences. All three awards go to Mayur Vikash Joshi of Mechanical Engineering.